everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be filming a Rise or Raise tutorial. Sorry about the lack of uploads, I'm going to start trying to upload more again, so yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so there's only a few, well mainly one prerequisite for the way I'm teaching it, which is tornado kick. Alright, the only other thing you really need to know is which way you twist to know which leg you take off of. And since I twist left, I go off my right. Alright, so I just switched to my phone because my camera battery died. So hopefully it doesn't look too different or bad. But where I left off was saying about if you twist left, like me, you would take off your right foot like that, and then if you twist to the right you would just basically mirror it. But the first step is you're going to go off your right leg for me and do a tornado kick and kick the back leg up, so like that. Basically, you just want to do that a few times to get used to it. I'll do another example, but from the other side. Another good thing to practice, like while you're not training, is what's called shadow drills, which is basically doing like the movement, but without doing the trick. So it would be like, start with left foot, go to the right foot, go down, and do that. You basically just do that, which is what I did a lot to practice. So yeah, that's a good step to do. Alright, now we're gonna actually start trying the raise. So once you have the tornado kick off of one leg, you can begin to start putting your chest lower and doing the movement, but then just try your best to commit. You just have to go off your leg, have your toe pointed the way you're going, like that, and then dip down, and then bring your chest back up with your head looking still straight, and have your chest straight to the place you are traveling to, and you just kick your back leg up, and pretty much you can just slowly make that one-legged tornado kick into raise. So like, I'll do another example of a raise, but try to do it a bit slower. That's what you should try to make yours after spamming the tornado kick, and then you should try and go more over your head so you can easily turn that into a touchdown raise. So here's me going more over my head with it. Once you learn a raise, it's pretty easy to turn it into a TDR, but I might make another tutorial for that after B-twist, but here's what one looks like. Alright, so I hope this helped you learn raise. If not, comment down below any questions you have. I'll try my best to answer them, and I might make a part 2 once I get better at them. So yeah, thank you for watching. Be sure to comment more video ideas, and peace.